Rainfall is a critical component of our natural environment, providing essential water resources for both plant and animal life. The impact of rainfall on the environment is immense, particularly on the green environment. Rainfall is vital for the growth and development of plants. Plants require water to survive, and rainfall provides a natural source of water for them. Rainfall helps to replenish soil moisture levels, ensuring that plants have the water they need to grow and thrive. Adequate rainfall can also stimulate the germination of seeds, which is crucial for the establishment of new plant life. Rainfall promotes the growth of vegetation, which helps to stabilize soil and prevent erosion. The roots of plants hold soil together, reducing the risk of landslides and soil erosion. Vegetation also helps to reduce surface runoff, allowing water to infiltrate the soil and replenish underground water resources. Rainfall helps to support biodiversity in the green environment. The availability of water resources provided by rainfall ensures that habitats can support diverse plant and animal life. Different plant species require varying amounts of water to survive, and rainfall ensures that the environment can support a range of vegetation types, which in turn provides a habitat for a variety of animals. Rainfall helps in the regulation temperature in the environment. Rainfall cools the environment, reducing the risk of extreme temperatures. This is particularly important in arid environments where temperatures can be extremely high during the day. It is the support ecosystem service such as nutrient cycling and carbon sequestration. Rainfall helps to wash nutrients from the atmosphere and deposit them in the soil, providing essential nutrients for plant growth. Vegetation also plays a critical role in carbon sequestration, removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and storing it in plant biomass. The distribution of green land in Kenya is uneven, with some areas having high vegetation cover while others have low vegetation cover. The highland areas, which receive high rainfall, have a higher concentration of green land compared to the lowland areas, which have low rainfall. Green land in Kenya plays an important role in the country's economy and provides ecosystem services that are critical for human well-being. Kenya has made significant strides in promoting green environment and vegetation conservation. The country has established protected areas such as national parks, game reserves, and forest reserves that cover 8% of the land area. The government has also launched programs such as Green Belt Movement, which aims to plant trees and promote reforestation. The main cause of drought in Kenya is the lack of rainfall, affecting irrigation and domestic water supply. The country has experienced below average rainfall for several consecutive seasons, which has resulted in crop failure and a decline in livestock productivity. Additionally, deforestation, overgrazing, and soil erosion have worsened the situation, leading to desertification and land degradation. The drought situation in Kenya has had a severe impact on the country's economy, environment, and society. The agricultural sector, which employs the majority of the population, has been hit hard by the drought, leading to a decrease in food production and rising food prices. This has resulted in food insecurity, with millions of people requiring food aid to survive. The drought has also affected the country's wildlife, leading to the decline in the number of animals. This has resulted in a loss of tourism revenue, which is a significant source of foreign exchange for the country. Moreover, the drought has led to an increase in conflicts over resources such as water and pasture. This has resulted in intercommunal clashes, displacement of people, and loss of lives. The Kenyan government declared a national disaster due to the drought, with over 2.1 million people affected by the situation. The government allocated 7.5 billion shillings to mitigate the effect of the drought, including providing food aid, water tracking, and livestock support.
Pita mahali kuna miti kama hivi inabidi uzuie. Ukote hapo. Nikurudi home tena nazipea nyasi kiasi nyasi ya kununua. Bado hii ni changa. Inabidi kuliwe imekauka. Sasa kama leo hivi nimezipatia saa hii asubuhi. Nimezitoa sasa changanya na hii mbichi. Beri moja inauzwa 350. Na per day zinakula beri 5. Kikaa na hii kibaki kidogo naongezea nyingine tena. Tuseme hizo mapembeni katakata na wapatia gunia 4. Hizi gunia kubwa napima na gunia naziwekea gunia 4 per day. Naziwekea hapo zinakula vizuri. Na mwenye ameleme sasa inabidi nimwache nyumbani. Sasa mbuzi nikiwawekea hiyo nyasi kama hapo nyumbani wao hawakuli sana, inabidi naanzia hapa kwa shamba tena na bakara kidogo na tutu miti majani nakula vizuri. Anashiba pia. Changanya na hiyo nyasi kidogo ndio siku hizi. Nangoja siku nyingine tena. Lakini sasa nilikuwa nikizilisha na masaa. Asubuhi nikizipatia hiyo mabebe kama ni gunia 2. Napata kinipatia nyasi nyingine. Nichanganya hii yangu. Hiyo inakuwa inanisukuma vizuri sana. Inakuwa ni vizuri. Lakini kuna zingine ziko wiki. Kama kuna nyingine sasa hii imezaa na haina maziwa. Hiyo kiangazi imeipiga sana ikiwa na mtoto. Sasa hii kuweza kutengeneza maziwa mtoto anaweza kunywa. Sasa inabidi nipatie, kuna moja iko na maziwa, mtoto wake sasa nipatie ng'ombe nyingine. Nipate kukunywa maziwa. Huyo mtoto wake wa hiyo ng'ombe nyingine unamuingiza pande na huyo mwingine unamweka pande sasa kwenye utakaa wewe. Kunyonya pande ile ateremsha maziwa yote. Zote zinanyonya vizuri. Na nunua hizo mapallets pia. Na waekea hapo unachanganyia na unga na kachumvi, kuna makli kile ya maziwa. Nazichanganyia na ziwekea hapo. Kwa mtungi hivi zinakula. Kitosheka inafuata nyasi tena, ikisijua sana hiyo inakausha. Inakula, inakunywa maji inarudia nyasi tena. Inakula nyasi tena inarudia maji, napita hapo kama pale tena. Nakula hivi. Basi inaisha. Kula tu. Kuna kitu kingine. Hivi nimezipatia hizo beri 5 asubuhi. Nikienda kizunguka hivyo mpaka makiza saa 10 nikirudi tena. Ngine ziweke hapo niziweke beri zingine 5. Inasaidia pia kuhara yari sana. Unajua nyasi za zile iko changa zinahara. Sasa hata ikiwa changa hivi ndogo ikikomaa inakuwa mzuri. Haiwezi hara. Wale wakajaro walikuwa wanakosa maji. Sasa hivi kuna tanki pale na maji ya project inakuja kila siku. Sasa wale wananunua nyasi. Venye sisi tumenunua hii ya kuongezea na wananunua pia. Sasa wao wanabidi wanunue mingi. Sasa wao wako na ng'ombe mingi. Sasa kuna mahali kama hata kidogo kama hapa hivi wanaweza ingiza ng'ombe ikule. Kuna inamalizanga kabisa. Wakipata hizi ndege kama vile imejenga ile pale juu, itaramusha ng'ombe yenye chakula kidogo. Tuone leo tulikuwa tunaona hata zingine zinapatiwa carton. Kwa ndani siko mabox naziweka kwa maji. Hiyo maji mali wanakunywa. Na naweka hizo box hapo. Sasa watangangana kukunywa hiyo maji, wapate hizo box. Kuleta kama piece.
Kenya is home to a wide range of wildlife, including the Big Five: lion, elephant, leopards, rhinos, and buffaloes. Other animals found in Kenya include giraffes, zebras, wild beasts, hyenas, cheetahs, gazelles, and a variety of primates such as baboons and monkeys. The country's coastal area are home to the marine life including dolphins, whales, and sea turtles. The conservation of wildlife in Kenya is crucial for the country's tourism industry, which is a significant source of revenue. The government of Kenya, through the Kenyan Wildlife Service, has put in place measures to protect and conserve wildlife. These measures include national parks and reserves to protect wildlife and their habitats. Some of the popular national parks and reserves in Kenya include the Masai Mara, anti-poaching measures to prevent the illegal killing of wildlife, including elephants and rhinos, for their tusks and horns, which are highly valued in some countries. Community-based conservation aimed at involving local communities in the conservation of wildlife. This approach promotes sustainable use of natural resources and improves the livelihoods of local communities. Education and awareness aimed at raising public awareness about the importance of wildlife conservation. Elephants are one of the iconic species found in Kenya's national parks and reserves. These large mammals require large amounts of water and food, making them vulnerable to drought conditions. During droughts, elephants have been observed traveling long distances in search of water and food. They also change their feeding habits, shifting from browsing on leaves to feeding on barks and branches. Giraffes have also developed adaptations to cope with drought conditions. Giraffes are able to go without water for extended periods of time, relying on the moisture found in the leaves they eat. During droughts, giraffes are known to feed on acacia trees, which have high water content and are able to survive in the arid conditions. Wildebeests, which migrate annually between the Masai Mara and the Serengeti ecosystems, are also impacted by drought conditions. During droughts, wildebeests' population decline due to the increased competition for food and water. However, wildebeests have developed the ability to detect and avoid drought conditions. They are known to migrate to areas with higher rainfall and better vegetation, allowing them to survive during harsh climatic conditions. Predators such as lion, hyena, and cheetahs are also impacted by drought conditions as their prey populations decline due to the reduce of food availability. During droughts, predators have been observed hunting in parks and taking down larger prey, such as buffaloes and giraffes, to compensate for the lack of smaller prey.